Hi guys, welcome back. I'm Anna.
I'm Brock.
And this is an old vlog that we were supposed to post like a month ago. Thank you for waiting 5 months for this video if you're watching.
Because we know you've been waiting with bated breath.
Oh, get out. You're so annoying.
Important to all of you.
I'm very sick while I'm editing this video, but you'll be able to see us having a way better time than I am having right now. So
rude.
We're at the Airbnb. We just got here. I'm getting ready now for the concert because we're a little late, so I'll show you guys the Airbnb later. It's super cute. I'm so excited. We have like 10 minutes to go to the venue because Brock is actually going to a meet and greet and he's actually going to meet Chris, so that's super cool. I'll let you guys know more about this trip later. I'll check back in when I can show you guys the Airbnb. Hi, babe.
Hello.
We're gonna give you guys a tour of our Airbnb.
Yes.
This is so cute. This is like a little entryway, and it has this super cute what are those, cherries, right? It has like a little cherry curtain over the door, and it's adorable. And you have like your little key holder, and it walks right into the kitchen, which is literally so cute. We have like this 6 people table that's absolutely adorable, and the watcher's going right now, so we're probably just gonna toaster. And there's also a cool toaster which Brock wants.
Toaster.
What?
Toaster.
Why do you like the toaster so much?
Because it's so ridiculous. I love it.
Why is it ridiculous? I like it.
I mean, everyone else that has a toaster just has like a black or a silver toaster. And then there's this like fancy
everyone else
retro,
doesn't have style.
fancy retro toaster right here. Why are you looking at me? Stop looking at me.
So there's this really cute curtain and this
Beautiful red cock.
babe.
Oh, that's what it is.
I'm gonna bleep that out.
It's a red cock.
There's a rooster over our kitchen, and
Look, more cocks.
can you not? And there's these roosters over our
that's the word. Rooster.
laundry, which I was actually just gonna do a voiceover this part, so hopefully the sound is not too bad, but yeah. And we have like our little shelf here that we bought some snacks and I organized before I started filming this because it was making it crazy. And this didn't fit on the little shelf, but it's Whetstone Wines. Whetstone's like a little chocolate store. We're gonna get it. And there's this super cool vintage old telephone, and it's amazing. And you can open it up, and there's how it works, maybe sort of like this thing. And we still don't know.
You're an amazing tour guide.
We still don't know what. Can you not? That's so mean. We still don't know what this is for.
There's this really old telephone, and you can open it up and see how it works.
Why are you
I
making?
don't know.
Why are you making fun of me?
Because
And
that's
there's
what I
this
do.
cute
That's why
little
you like
cabinet that has cups and whatever we may need, and plates, and yeah. And oh, there's a little wine bottle. We hadn't seen that.
I don't know that we're supposed to drink it.
I don't know. It's there. I like this plate a lot. It says Pepsi Cola, but it's so random, but I love it. And something I loved about the kitchen is it has a little painting of the house. Like this is how the house looks like on the outside.
Speaking of the outside, there's a cool backyard.
There is a cool backyard.
So this is a hallway. This is the living room, all right? Oh, by the way, there's some bedrooms over here and this bedroom there. This is the living room. This is the front door, actually. We can't figure out if our key even works on the front doors, but it's got this really cool bell that
I'm gonna ring
my
the bell.
assistant will now demonstrate for you.
Can you stop calling me your assistant on videos? So basically,
Look at this.
you turn it.
Take your hands off for a sec. So like this is a key, but you turn it, and when you turn it,
I want to ring it.
when you turn it, this bell right here, it rings. So that's pretty cool. Over here, we have our living room space. So we have, there's the hallway we came through, front door to my left. You know, lots of couch space, several end tables, a center coffee table, a nice TV, a bookshelf with a bunch of different books, some board games and an old wagon. Like a lot of this furniture and architecture is old and intentionally like preserved. Some of it's been made with like reclaimed wood and stuff. But everything here is just kind of, it's constructed with the intention of like preserving what level of history it has.
This is the front of our house. It's a very, very cute little spot, which is like perfect for this neighborhood. We're like in love with it. We're probably gonna come back to this house for sure. And this is one of my favorite parts of this house. This little like tiny oranges tree. I don't know if you guys can see them, but they're so cute. They make me happy. They're so small.
Look how tiny.
I don't know what fruit they actually are, but I think they look like tiny
They
oranges.
look like oranges. This is the back of the house.
This is like our little
You can
driveway.
park right here.
It fits
and
3 cars.
It
And
does.
we don't really need 3 cars. We only have 1 because we all came together. But yeah, and if you walk this way, it has like a little pathway for you. And you open this cute little fence. You have like a little like patio area, which is super cute. And there's a grill in case you wanna like grill something. And a table for 6 people. And there's over there another like little like hangout spot. And this is my favorite part of this patio. You can open in here. And you have like your little area to just chill. Wanna come see it?
Sure, let's check it out real quick.
Look how cute.
Look at this chill spot. Oh yeah.
This is perfect.
Oh,
And
yeah.
there's like big chairs and
Oh
stuff.
yeah. That's pretty much the house. I mean,
What?
that's pretty much everything except the bedrooms.
Yeah. But yeah, just look up. It's so pretty. This place is awesome. I'm so excited to be here.
This is Cousteau's. They are known for 2 great things, waffles and milkshakes. They love to throw all sorts of interesting fruit on waffles and ice cream on waffles and the same stuff in milkshakes, although they don't put waffles in the milkshakes, but nonetheless, they're incredible.
So this is stress relief sack. You're supposed to hold it and smack it.
Smack the sack.
This is ridiculous. It's actually kind of fun. Do you want to smack it, Nate?
Whetstone Chocolate Factory is one of my favorite places in St. Augustine. They have literally the best chocolate I've ever had in my life. 10 out of 10 would go every time I'm there.
So we were here 2 years ago, and this is called the Love Tree. It's next to Tolmaro Cemetery. And it's a palm tree growing inside another tree. And basically, the legend says that if you kiss your significant other under this tree, the tree will grant you everlasting love. Because if you kill one of the trees, the other one dies. So they're like intertwined forever. And people just leave their names in hearts. It's really sweet.
We are at Flagler College in downtown St. Augustine.
It's one of the most beautiful college campuses I've ever seen.
It really is. It's amazing.
It looks kind of like Howard's.
A little bit, yeah. So let's go check it out.
Flagler College, little fun fact, it was actually my dream school when I graduated high school because they had a great writing program. I ended up not going, but I still love the building. It's so beautiful. We're probably gonna go to the fort right after, so let's just enjoy this for a bit. It's absolutely gorgeous, so I feel like you guys are gonna love it. Where are we?
In the extreme sunlight, and I can't see.
God damn it.
This is an awesome spot to just chill. Look at this.
You can't really say you were in San Augustine without visiting the Castillo and Marcos National Monument. Our first time around, Brock didn't get to see it because it was closed, so definitely had to go back. This fortress is the oldest, largest masonry fort in continental US.
It was built in 1672, and it has never been taken by force. Every time it changed hands, it was due to some sort of treaty. Nobody actually successfully sieged the castle. The terrain around the castle is actually built intentionally to be uneven, so that it's really, you can't just get a running start and run at the castle. You're gonna have to climb over stuff, climb down, and it makes it really hard to just rush the castle. You know, they did a really good job. It's right on the water. It's got a pretty view from the top, and yeah, it's awesome. Thanks so much for watching. If you guys liked what you saw, feel free to like and subscribe and all that YouTube stuff.
Hopefully it won't be another 5 months before we post again. Bye!